What happens when a dinosaur sneezes? Millions of years ago, dinosaurs ruled the earth. But imagine if one had a super sneeze. It could shake the whole jungle. Real dinosaurs didn't sneeze like us, but their giant lungs could blow out dust like a storm. Would you want to see a sneezing dinosaur in real life? Comment, roar below.